What's up? It's your girl Nemo and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. Happy New Year! It is the first video of 2023 and I know it's been a little while since I made a video, but here we are. I took the green out just earlier today with the BTZ Radical Color Remover using water and dandruff shampoo, mixed it up, sat it on my head for like an hour with a heat cap on, and the green's gone, leaving my hair with a very yellow color to it, and we're just gonna make it worse. I'm not really a yellow person. It is one of my least favorite colors down there with orange, but I figured it's the only color I've never done, like, as far as a whole head of hair. I've done it within, like, rainbow looks, but that doesn't count. I'm gonna go ahead and just do it so I can say I've done every color of the rainbow just all over at least once. And who knows, maybe I'll like it. But anyway, I'm gonna be using the Strawberry Leopard Steal My Sunshine. And yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and just get into it. Also, don't mind that new tattoo, but it's all covered in goo. You can't see it yet. Alright, time to let it sit. I don't think it's going to need super long because my hair was already like pretty yellow to begin with. So I'm going to give it like 30 minutes, rinse in ice cold water, and I'll be back with the results. Ta-da! What do we think? I am feeling it for the moment. I know myself, and I know I'm not going to keep this for very long at all. But here it is for now. I really like this shade of yellow, at least. It's not like pastel or neon. It's just like a very golden yellow, which is what I prefer if I have to have yellow. So yeah, ignore the hairstyle I got going on. I'm still trying to figure out how to style this short hair. But that's pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like and subscribe. It really helps me out, and it's a free way to support my channel, and I will see you in the next one. Peace, love, God bless.